All right, we got another brave soul. Looks like Carlos is going to go out and flex his legs a little bit here. Let's go. Here we go, Carlos. You got this, homie. Everybody's brave when they got 27 people to recover them. Get it, get it. Oh, yeah, he didn't slow down at all. He's like,
oh, wait, he's got...
Oh.
Yeah, he's got lockers now, so...
Is he? Are they...
brave.
What kind of locker does he have?
I don't know, he's got them from Larry.
Oh, okay.
Larry's recommendation, Truetrac.
Oh, so he got the Truetrac, so he doesn't have to engage anything, yeah.
Well, he's not getting stuck.
Nope. Doing good. Oh. Woo! Get it, get it. Oh, he's digging. Going. He's digging.
You better go straight now.
Mine will tip over and sink.
You should go find out.
Yeah, right. James will get his viral video.
Just saying. There's only one four-wheel drive out here, and he's not out there. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Flavio was like, nah, man, I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good.
He's repping us.
All right, that was about 7 gallons of gas. Yeah. Woo! Oh, yeah, watch out, kids. Okay, we're up in Carlos's van doing his thing. It's not the layout that's important to me. It's this. He has a topper. And I am standing up. Look at me. I am standing fully erect, and I'm just touching. Fully erect with my legs together. And I'm just barely touching. That is, man, what a difference this would make. Being able to walk around inside the van. And then check out this guy. What was his name again? Carlos. What's the name of the dog again?
Choco.
Choco. What's up, buddy?
Choco.
Choco. Choco. I grew up with a schnauzer.
Oh, this is my third one.
Really?
Yeah.
Stand up straight, man. How tall are you?
Oh, yeah. I just, like, if my feet are together in the middle, I just barely touch. Perfect.
John, in 1 year. In 1 year.
What's up, Choco? What's up, brother? What's up, brother? You are a good puppy.
Talk about your van.
Good puppy.
This guy's about to leave, but I didn't want to miss out his van, so you're going to get a nighttime shot right now because he's about to leave with my buddy here. So real quick. And then you can watch a nighttime video of this van. So this one's a Fiberine top, bunch of storage on his roof rack, action van suspension lift kit. It's a V10, and he just got a rear locker for this thing, and he did donuts at Bombay Beach. Good man, always encouraging me with these lifted van meets.
That's all right. That's all right.
All right, whose van is this?
Choco's.
Choco, tell me about your van, man. Last year I saw this thing. This high roof wasn't here, your front end. So what's been going on the last couple of years here, man?
You remember last year I paid $3,800 for it, and then it came with the lift kit, which is an action van.
We'll look at closer look later.
The wheels, and in July I went ahead and did the top, and I used the same rack off my before I had the top on it. That's it.
So I remember last year, okay, you got this van, $3,800 V10. Yep. You put some work into it.
Yeah, the work came out to about $6,000
for the engine,
for the motor, cosmetics, and the interior.
So $6 grand, $3,800. You're about 10 grand in for a lift.
But I still did not have the top.
Okay, so at that point last year, 10 grand in, lifted, 2-wheel drive van. So this is the change right here, right?
Yep.
So you went all in on this.
Well, Fiberine went ahead and did a 20-inch top. This is their aerodynamic top. I also had the ceiling reinforced. If you look at it, there's plywood. And then I had them pour resin, and so it's the same color, gel coated, kind of like the outside. It's the same on the inside. Then the rack mounts to the sides, but it has cleats across the top with industrial 3M tape, and then it's self-tapping screws, and it's a Vantec rack.
Hi, buddy.
That's Choco.
And then you had the same bed here last year, right?
Same bed. It's an IKEA bed system, so that means the hole underneath is all storage, and the mattress is just a memory foam from Amazon.
So basically, looking at the camera, your van used to look like that. Now you got all that up there.
Yeah, which is about 6 inches, 6'1".
Yeah, now you got space this way.
Yeah.
And what I really
Feel free
like,
to step in if you like.
what I really like, that you want to see how Filipino I am, man? All right.
You know, I use a shark back on it.
There you go. Here's the inside. You know what I really like about all the high top roofs? I want the high top roof just for this.
For that storage.
Yes.
And again, that's just standard netting from
Yeah.
Amazon again.
That's
and what's cool about this van is instead of 2 windows, it actually has
4.
windows.
Wow. Yep. Nice. Cool. Okay, so for the people who haven't seen your videos from last year, what did you come from, buddy? What did you drive last? What was your last ride? This is the important one.
I had a 25.5 Lexington with a slide out, and you know, Ford products are great. The best frame. This is an E350 extended, so it doesn't get better than this.
Let's try to get a wide shot here. So how big was your last RV, man?
I don't even know what the length of these are, but it was a 25.5.
No, your last RV, you said it was 38 feet.
Oh no, it was a 36 footer.
36, that's still huge compared
The one
to...
before that.
Yeah, that's still a monster compared to that.
And
then,
you can go anywhere you want with these.
Yeah. So this guy was showing off yesterday. I hope you send me the donut footage. So there you go. Here's the lift kit right there. Action van suspension. Right there. It came with it, so you
And Larry from Action Vans just did a limited slip.
That's what we're gonna say.
differential installed.
Yep. So 410 gears.
410 gears.
Limited slip. There you go. So you got something that was a lot shorter than your last ride because you could go almost anywhere now.
And this is plenty big.
Yep, plenty.
Big.
It's nice. Nice. Yep, that's
That entertainment center right there, $20 for Marketplace. And then there's 8 cubbies inside, and those are the storage compartments. I cut 12 inches off the top and 2 inches off the bottom.
nice,
Because I
man.
like my view during the day of windows. But I also have coverings for all the windows.
Yep, so this is the lift.
Reflectix.
So this is Lifted Van Meet, November 2025. I had him lead some trails. I said, you just got yourself a limited slip, man, locker. You lead, man. So there it is, right there. From an RV to an extended model E350 with the Fiberine top.